Good afternoon to all of you. Today we will start with a new topic, that is LCM. Stands for lowest common multiple. LCM, the smallest number that is a common multiple of two or more than two numbers. LCM is a number that is a smallest common multiple of two or more numbers. Here we will understand it with an example. We will find LCM of 2 and 3. LCM, we will write them in a prime factorization form. So 2 and 3. We will divide 2 by 2. So quotient is 1. And 3 is not divisible by 2. So we will write it same in next line. Then we will divide it by 3. 1 is there, so we will divide 3 and the line we will get is 1 and 1. So we will find LCM of it. We will multiply these two, 2 and 3. That is 6. So we will get the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. Now we will understand with some questions. Find the LCM of 12 and 9. 12 and 9. We will do it with, first we will, 12 is divisible by 2, so we will divide it by 2. The quotient will be 6 and 9 is not divisible by 2, so we will write it same. 6 is again divisible by 2, so we will divide it by 2. The quotient will be 3 and 9 again not divisible, so we will write the same. Now we will divide it by 3, then the quotient will be 1 when divided by 3, and when divided by 9 it will be 3. Now we will divide it again, so we will get 3 divided by 3, that quotient leaves the quotient of 1. So here we will get the LCM of 12 and 9, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 3 is 36. So the LCM of 12 and 9 is 36. Now we will move to next question. We will find the LCM of 24 and 25. Here 24 is divisible by 2, so we will divide it by 2. When we will divide 24 by 2, the quotient will be 12 and 25 is not divisible by 2, so we will write it same. 12 is again divisible by 2, so we will divide it and the quotient will be 6. 25 not divisible again, so we will write it same. 6 is divisible by 2, so we will divide it. 25 not divisible again, so we will write it the same. Now we will divide it by 3. We will get divided by 3 when quotient remain 1 and 25 not divisible by 3 also, so number will be written the same. Now we will divide it by 5. 1 remains same and 25 is divisible by 5 and 5, so we will write here 5. And again we will divide it with 5, so we will get 1 into 1. So LCM of 24 and 25 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Here we will multiply all these. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 5 5 is 25, 25 3 is 75, 75 8 is 600. So LCM of 24 and 25 is 600. Thank you. We will meet again after some time.